Got a Keltec here, gas blowback rifle. Do a lot of modifications, but this is a good gun. All right.
It's WE 4 mags.
Ah, okay.
And it's under 19 inches, which means it's CQB legal.
So, the big thing about Martians, you do a lot of intense stuff. We raid the towers. Smaller game, it's going to be intense. This is a good weapon to have because when we fight those insurgents in the night game, they'll be armed with like spring pistols and shotguns. You'll have the gas blowback in the tower if you're on the gas blowback side. So here we go.
Last 4, 9, 3, 1, 4.
Oh!
Yeah, brother!
Woo!
Woo! That's what I like to see!
9314.
Oh no, you read that wrong. No, just kidding.
Woo!
You want the box too?
Yeah, give me the box. Thank you.
Yeah. You don't need a box.
I was wrong. That was my turn.
All right, we're gonna check some Martians.
You got a flag. You already got
it.
it.
Gas blowback, or if you want to do one of the civilian AG.
Last 4,
Dude,
9, 3,
sick.
1.
I have another WE gas from 4 mag.
Really?
Yeah.
Sweet.
All right, just give us your name.